I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud, also known as Daffodils, is a lyric poem by William Wordsworth, published in 1807. The poem describes the experience of the poet as he comes across a field of daffodils while wandering in solitude. The poem consists of 4 stanzas, each with 6 lines, a total of 24 lines, in a rhyming scheme of ABABCC. The speaker narrates his emotional journey from feelings of loneliness and desolation to a joyful and uplifting experience upon witnessing the daffodils. In the first stanza, the speaker describes himself as a cloud, wandering aimlessly without a specific purpose or direction. He feels lonely and disconnected from the world around him. In the second stanza, the speaker encounters a field of daffodils near a lake, which stretches along the shoreline. The sight of these vibrant, golden flowers brings a sudden shift in the poet's emotions, alleviating his sense of isolation. The third stanza elaborates on the beauty of the daffodils, likening them to a host or a large crowd of dancing people. The sight of the flowers fills the speaker with an overwhelming sense of joy and pleasure. In the fourth and final stanza, the poet reflects on how this encounter with the daffodils continues to bring him happiness even in moments of solitude, uplifting his spirits whenever he recollects the scene in his mind. Themes: solitude and nature. The poem explores the transformative power of nature to dispel feelings of loneliness and provide comfort to the wandering mind. Beauty and inspiration. The beauty of nature, specifically the daffodils, serves as a source of inspiration for the poet's creative imagination. Transcendence and spiritual connection. The encounter with nature leads the poet to a state of transcendence, where he feels a deeper spiritual connection to the natural world. Memory and recollection. The memory of the daffodils becomes a cherished recollection that continues to bring joy to the poet, even in moments of solitude. Symbols. Daffodils symbolize nature's beauty, inspiration, and ability to uplift the human spirit. Cloud represents the poet's initial sense of loneliness and detachment from the world. Lake reflects the natural world, acting as a mirror for the daffodils and emphasizing their beauty and abundance. Literary devices. I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud is a simile comparing the speaker's state of mind to that of a cloud. The daffodils are personified as dancing and tossing their heads in the breeze. The entire poem can be seen as a metaphor for the transformative power of nature on human emotions. Vivid visual imagery is used to describe the daffodils and the surrounding landscape, evoking a strong sense of nature's beauty.